make it better. Tell me, boy, now wouldn't that be sweet? If I could escape, if I could escape, 'cause I've been acting like sour milk on the floor at your oxygen. Shut the refrigerator, maybe